For the research paper, you'll have a choice, remember, of doing an argumentative essay or an exploratory. So here I have an example of an argumentative in the breakdown of a cluster. For the purpose of this, I just created a random topic and I picked bullying. So in the middle, we have our claim that we're stating about the topic of bullying. Who is at fault for bullying? Then it's broken down into 3 other sections, those being the 3 main points that we're looking to focus at on who could be at fault. The first one then being parents. And then it further breaks down into the reasons why parents might be at fault. And those being spoiling them, no discipline, not around, bullying their children. Then the next main point that we're looking to make here is schools. Maybe schools are at fault. And some of the reasons why, and we break those down further, not setting rules, not following rules, not disciplining, or maybe it's just not training the teachers or staff and faculty. Then the third point that we're looking here to make is society. Maybe society is who is partially at fault, and that could be for various reasons that are broken down then further as well. Technology, lack of respect for people, rude, so basically then that branching off and saying like it's okay to be rude. And then the fourth point there within the society is maybe no morals. Then remember the conclusion is wrapping all of this up. So within each of these main ideas, those are the different other ways in which you branched it off, but you have to make sure that you're showing evidence to that stuff then as well. So that's where in all of those different points that you're making is where you're going to start putting in some of those sources that you found in that research. So there's the example of an argumentative essay in the cluster form.